Alberta Falls.
Well, we went to the lake.
That's
I thought
easy.
The lake was a lot harder.
What is Alberta Trail?
It's rated a 2 in this book, but these rating systems are kind of funny.
Good morning, everybody. We are on Bear Lake Trailhead. We got here early, but even early wasn't early. It's like 7 o'clock. What time is it right now?
It is 8:13.
It's 8:13, and there were only 5 parking spots left up here. So we probably suggest to get up a little bit earlier than 6 in the morning.
It feels nice right now.
But we made it. So we've done a pretty easy hike so far. Slight uphill, but not bad. And these trails are well maintained. This, right beside us, is this gorge, which is behind me. Now behind me is Alberta Falls. So even if you weren't going for a long hike, I think this is maybe like 0.9 miles in. That's pretty sweet, babe. You can see where we parked back there, which is way out here is where we walked from. That's pretty crazy. And I have this over my face so I keep the dust out. Only when I'm trailing behind. We're stopping to appreciate nature. Nature. Nature lover.
Cheers. We made it to Loch Lake, or the Loch. What a beaut.
It's a bit chilly out here, isn't it?
Yeah,
There's snow on the ground.
a little.
It feels good. It opens up down there. There's also a little runoff here as well. That's pretty cool. Whew, time for some snacks.
We got trail mix right now.
This is dried mango, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, and cranberries. We also have a Lara bar and some peanut butter crackers.
And now you know our snack.
Oh, we know. What's to eat? There's actually quite a few people.
But not so many that it's stupid.
Yeah. We ran into some people today that must have started really early. Like they must have started like a couple hours before us even. So we left at our hotel about 7:10. We could have probably been half an hour earlier, but it's all good. We made it. Parking lots weren't full yet.
5 spots left, right?
5 spots left. And I'm not jumping in there.
Do it.
I just woke up from an hour and a half much needed nap. Felt fantastic. And it feels late, but it's not. It's probably only like 6:30.
7:36.
7:36. Seriously, it feels like earlier now than it did early on. Like when we got back at 5. When we got back at 5, it seriously felt like midnight.
I know.
It was bad. We were so tired.
No, he's actually more bright than what he used when asleep.
All right, let's see what's going on here. This is a bear canister. We got to put all our food in there. We don't want the bears getting to it.
Like the Jer Bear.
The Jer Bear. This thing keeps all of our smelly items and is basically airtight. So we've got our lunches, dinners, breakfasts in there for the next couple days. The first night, we've got our lunch and dinner separated out, which we'll keep in our packs. And then hopefully all of this will just be trash that will go back into the bear canister after we eat it. Other things we have trail mix, we have Lara bars, we have, never tried this before, but apparently they're amazing.
Has Jared had it?
No, I got him one too.
And of course we'll bring some water. We have a water filter.
Oh, you can't taste it. You want to taste it?
What else?
You can open one.
Dried beef. And also, I don't know, just anything you can heat up water and mix it. That's the best type of food to carry so that it's not so heavy and easy to make. We might be taking a little too much sunscreen, according to this one. But you can never be too shirtless. I mean, careful.
Jeremy also has freeze-dried beets. He's the weirdest backpacker I know.
Why?
It's just different things, mung beans and beets. But it's probably gonna be delicious. We'll probably be jealous.
I'd be eating pretty good. I also got bit by a bug on the forehead. How did that even happen? I'm wearing like a hat the whole entire day, or at least,
Morgan shoes.
or like a buff the whole day.
Looks like on a dead bug in her shoes.
Oh, I see M&Ms. I see M&Ms. Is that coming, babe?
No.
No, you've been eating it.
I couldn't fit. What could be done?
Dumb. Give me some of that. Oh, the nap felt so good. I'm gonna hit the jacuzzi and probably have some foot massages by Morgan.
In your dreams. I'm just kidding.
But seriously though, hot jacuzzi outside. We used it on our first day hike. It was so good. All right, well, we'll check back with you later.
Oh my gosh. How cute.
You don't know life yet, bro. Somebody could punch you.
Time to learn what a predator is.